Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've been doing this for 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. You can find us on my website at 777 IRS.com. You can see my whole team. We have about 250 years worth of IRS experience. We're really good. And I've been on the news a number of times this last couple months. You can see my interviews there. I do these YouTubes for 3 reasons: to educate you, to let you know what's going on from an insider to IRS, and to make sure you don't get ripped off. Today I want to talk about what happens if you get a wrong 1099 and you don't know what to do with it. You don't want to put it on your tax return. No one's going to help you. What do you really do in that case? Sometimes the people are out of business and you have no way of correcting it, or they're not going to contact you. These are the steps that you take. You first write a letter, a certified letter to the company. You write, "I'm sorry about the stream." You write a certified letter to the company telling them that they need to correct the 1099, that these are the figures you have and that they are wrong. It's your attempt to go ahead and reach out and try to correct it through and to the company. If you go ahead and do that, you can solve the problem, but most people can't. Some of these companies are out of business, the records are wrong, and you're stuck with a wrong 1099. Well, that's just not going to do. So you go ahead and first write the letter then, and then you send another certified letter to IRS, letting them know if they can help you recover your 1099. Most of the time they're not going to do that. That won't be responded to, but it could. But at least you're showing IRS that you're trying to fix the problem. What you want to do on your tax return is to promote the 1099 that you know that you have and show it as correct. You want to attach the 2 certified letters that you sent to IRS and that you sent to the company. And if you have any documentation through bank deposits, emails, or anything to show this is the correct number, you want to attach them to your tax return so the person reviewing the case knows that you've made every effort to give IRS the correct 1099 information. So when you attach 2 certified letters, one to the company, and always when you do that, give the company a date when you want that 1099 back. Just say, "Hey, I need this within 30 days. If you don't, I'm going to have to let IRS know about it." It's okay to put that. So now you're going to put the correct information on your 1040 with the 2 letters, and if you can show any documentation, any at all, that this is what the amount is, or maybe to show the deposits or anything, that goes further to help your case. Generally, IRS is going to accept your 1099 as being correct, so don't be afraid to reach out to both IRS with certified letters and the company. That's the only way you're going to get this resolved correctly. Sometimes these take a long time. Most of the time IRS does accept this and you can move forward. Sorry about the way this happens, but it's the truth. Anyway, if you'd give me a subscription, I'd love that. YouTube loves subscriptions for people. It shows they're doing a good job. I'd appreciate getting one. You can leave me a comment anytime about a YouTube you'd like me to do. Thank you very much.